Welcome! In this video, we're going to briefly go over our recommended workflow for your analysis. Once you're well-versed in using SpeedAlyzer, your workflow will speed up. Yellow arrows represent the high-speed workflow, purple arrows indicate optional steps, and blue arrows show adjustment paths. Blue stars mark deep mode tools for diving deeper into the numbers, while green stars highlight quick mode tools that use AI to help you research and justify your assumptions. Starting from the home page, add the property to your My Property list, then select a property to start your analysis. Navigate to the Deal Inputs page and complete the Step 1 deal inputs. At this stage, you have the option to model creative financing if the seller is open to it. You'll also have access to optional deep mode tools, such as the GPR estimator to help determine your T12 and Year 1 gross potential rents, the unit mix tool to analyze the seller's rent roll, and the CapEx estimator to build a renovation budget. Next, proceed to the Step 2 Pro Forma section to input your preliminary growth and exit assumptions. If needed, use our Quick Mode AI Assist tool to leverage AI in forecasting annual growth, economic vacancy, and expense ratio inputs. For a deeper dive, access deep mode tools like the Economic Vacancy Estimator to model losses over the hold period and the Expense Estimator to analyze the seller's T12 expenses and project your operating expenses line by line. If you're partnering with others in this deal, navigate to the Investor Returns page to model your equity distributions using any of the 3 waterfall distribution models. If you're not partnering on this deal, you can skip the Investor section and proceed directly to Step 3. The Valuation Dashboard on the Deal Inputs page. Use the dashboard tools to determine your initial property value and check if your goals were met. If they aren't, revisit Step 2 to adjust your assumptions, set cap rates, or model a refinance. Then return to Step 3 for another property valuation. If needed, go back to Step 1 for further adjustments. Keep refining your inputs and checking goals, and consider adding creative financing to make the deal work. If your goals still aren't being met, it's time to move on to the next deal. But if you do achieve your goals, your analysis is complete, and you're ready to move forward with an offer. Thank you for watching. We hope this workflow guide helps you navigate SpeedAlyzer more efficiently. Remember, the more you use it, the faster and more intuitive your analyses will become.